Hey everyone! My tip for you this month is that I have a few tips for you this month. During my presentations this month, a lot of questions came up, and I'd love to share with you some little fun tidbits that came up during the presentations. So, the first one is if you have paper in your garage or your home for that matter that has mold on it, or that it's damp, or you can see the black mold on it, it's time to let that paper go. Whether you're shredding it, throwing it out, you have to let it go, and I'll tell you why. I was talking to Steve Bray from 911 Restoration, and he said that if there's black mold on anything or mold on anything in your garage on that paper, that you obviously have to get rid of it. But those mold spores that are on that paper can attach to other things in the garage. And then every time you open your door to the home, those mold spores can travel into your home. There's a little tidbit for you. So that's that. And then next, your closets. So many times, as you know, if you've been to a presentation, I say you have to take everything out of your closet. And most people fall off their chairs and say that's impossible. I can't take everything out of my closet. That's one sign that you need to take everything out of your closet, because you probably have way too much stuff. And if you're a client, I never tell you have to get rid of things. But at some point, you have to declutter, and it's time. And by taking everything out of your closet one by one and physically touching everything, half of that or a third of it will probably go, because you don't even know what's in your closet. I can guarantee it. I was with a client not too long ago. She's like, I don't need to get rid of anything. I'm okay. As I started taking everything out one by one, she ended up with 3 bags of donations. So you never know. You have to take everything out. And if you need help, you can call me. And then the third one, kitchens. It's so important if you have open food in your kitchen, whether it's cereal boxes or snacks or pasta, if it's not closed with a clip or put in a seal type bin or a big Ziploc bag, you are going to get bugs, and you're going to get roaches, and you're going to get ants and every little bug that can come with when you have open food in your cabinet. So take a look at your food cabinet, buy your chip clips, buy your steel tight containers, buy your large Ziploc bags if you want to do that. If you want to store them in a Ziploc bag within the bag that they're in, so they don't get stale or crunchy or lose their crunchiness, that's fine too. So those are my 3 tips for you this month. If you have any questions or you have any concerns, or if you want to hire me, I'm available, and I will talk to you soon. Enjoy your month. Have a good one.